Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Google Chromecast back to the original settings. So if you're on the home screen here, scroll on over to where it says Settings, then go to your picture icon and select Settings right here, and then go on down under this list until we get to System. Then go to the right, then go to About, then go to the right, and go to Factory Reset right here. This says restore your device default settings and erase all data, accounts, files, and downloaded apps. So simply select this, then go to Factory Reset, and you should be good to go. So if this quick video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.